I hate wasting food.
How much do you hate wasting food?
I hate wasting food! My name is Chef Daniela Malfitano, and this is My Choice Kitchen, a space for choosing joy. If you're just finding us for the first time, welcome! And if you've joined us for the last week, I have a treat for you. This is a bonus episode. I'm going to show you how to use leftovers, totally delicious and totally easily. Here are some of the ingredients that we've used this week. You might have remembered from our nacho episode, we used cilantro and California avocado. We also made some eggplant pizzas and we topped them with a basil pesto. We're going to use that also. We also made some delicious sushi when I cut up some bell pepper for the inside. And just a couple days ago, we did egg roll in a bowl and we used a lot of these delicious green onions. So tonight, I was getting hungry and feeling like I've got to pull dinner together in a flash. So there's no better way to do that than some leftover love. Tonight, I'm making herb baked chicken with a delicious coleslaw in a flash. Here are all the ingredients you need. And of course, it's your choice if you want to mix it up. All right, you ready to start cooking? Come on, let's go.
I'm crying. I have the green onion cry.
People are gonna probably ask why I'm not wearing an apron, but I'm just gonna tell you that I prefer to wear a napkin around my neck. Chicken's almost done. I gotta dress this salad and we are eating a delicious leftover meal. I smell this chicken. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Here we come. No mayo, but really thick and delicious, creamy, simple coleslaw. We've got some chicken, friends. Let's look at this. A little simple slaw on the base of the plate, right on top. Winner, winner, we've got a leftover chicken dinner. If you look closely, it kind of looks like fried chicken, but we're not having fried chicken. And before we taste, let's take this for a little gratitude. Thank you, chicken.
Thank you, chicken.
Here we go. Short, sweet, take a bite.
Love it.
Juicy.
Love it. Chicken's
Yeah.
definitely one of my favorite foods.
Chicken is so good, especially when there's the bone in. Super juicy. Slaw's good too. You would never know that this was leftovers.
Well, the chicken was cooked fresh.
Well, chicken's not leftovers, but everything else, right? Everything else. That pesto, what a great use for the pesto, right?
It's amazing.
Put it over chicken, put it over anything, tofu. You could even mix in pasta. You could make a pasta salad. You could, anything, quite literally. You could make it a dip. But we used it to bake off some chicken thighs, and boy, am I glad we did. Who's like freaking out. She's like, can I get a bite, please? For the last hour, please.
I love how you find a way to use every single piece of every single ingredient. Even if it's not in the recipe of a given night, you find a different night and a way to use it. Because using every single piece is just so important.
It's so important. Do you know why?
Tell me.
I hate wasting food.
How much do you hate wasting food?
I hate wasting food! Like, I hate it. I really hate it because, you know why? Really, food is sacred, and I know it is, and it really hurts my spirit when I have to throw food away. Food that took a long time to grow or a long time to be produced.
Or live. Right.
Right? So we are not doing that here at My Choice Kitchen. We are using all the odds and ends. We'll do more bonus recipes as we come up with ingredients that we need to use, that we need to just sort of move through the kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, come back for more. Hit subscribe so that you know when we produce our weekly videos. This gentleman right here to my right, this is Danny Green. He is producing everything. Thank you so much, babe.
Yeah.
We appreciate it.
Yeah.
And we appreciate you guys. Come back, and until next time, well, let's rejoice in choice. See you later. Bye.